VirtualBox is a free and open-source virtualization platform created by Oracle, designed to operate across various operating systems. It allows users to set up and manage virtual machines, VMs, on their computers, facilitating the simultaneous use of multiple operating systems, OSes, on a single physical device. With support for a diverse array of host and guest operating systems, such as Windows, macOS, Linux, and Solaris, VirtualBox stands out for its flexibility and extensive compatibility. The software includes several notable features that enhance its functionality for users. These features encompass support for 64-bit guest operating systems, multiple screen resolutions, USB device integration, and shared folders between the host and guest OS. Additionally, VirtualBox leverages hardware virtualization to optimize system resource utilization and boost VM performance. Its user interface is crafted to be both intuitive and accessible, providing a graphical user interface (GUI) for general users and a command line interface (CLI) for those seeking advanced capabilities. The GUI simplifies the creation, configuration, and management of virtual machines, while the CLI enables robust scripting for automation and batch tasks. To create a virtual machine in VirtualBox, users can follow a straightforward wizard that assists them throughout the process. They can select the guest OS, allocate memory and storage, and adjust networking and hardware settings. After the VM is established, users can initiate it and install the guest OS just as they would on a physical machine. A key feature of VirtualBox is its snapshot capability, which allows users to capture the current state of a VM, enabling them to revert to a previous state if necessary, an especially valuable tool for testing and development. Furthermore, VirtualBox supports cloning, allowing users to generate exact replicas of VMs for backup or deployment. VirtualBox provides a range of networking configurations to accommodate various scenarios, including NAT, network address translation, and bridge networking.